Alright, we got ourselves a 2017 RAM BIG HORN HEMI. Today we're gonna change this. First thing they want us to do is isolate the negative terminal on the battery. So what we're gonna do, loosen this terminal up. Isolate that terminal. We'll come over here. Got our new Mopar parts. And they want us to remove this piece here. Should just pull up for the most part. Set that aside, and I believe this is it right here. We may need to pull this down to get a better vision. Yeah, I think that there's our connector right there. Hey, put this down and disconnect this right quick. Alright, I got that board out of the way. This is supposedly to the instrument cluster, and by the looks of this, going to the outside, this is the side that we want. We just need to get it out of here. Whoops. Tape that back on there. Grab our pliers here. Behind this baby here. There we go.
Chrysler, they have a very special MS specification for their turbocharged engines.
So, yeah, we gotta
a cheap vehicle to some of their Fiat line.
come out here.
Make sure that you're following that specification.
Remove this.
Also, keep in mind Honda, they have their own oil specification for their turbocharged engine, which came out a couple years ago, that can be found inside the Civic and some of their smaller SUVs.
Slide this off here.
If you have any questions about the oil. So let's talk about the oil supply system on a turbocharged engine. Typically, you have a supply line that comes from the oil pump.
That's loose. It's going to drop down in there like that.
To the turbocharger center housing. A lot of these are
Next thing we need to do, you can see it coming out right here.
That screen is blocked by debris, which could be stuff just finding its way to the crankcase, stuff from bearings, even carbonates that can build up on the base of that screen and restrict oil flow to that turbocharger.
Now I can probably get this new one in without doing this, so I don't know if I'm going to need that or not. But if you get some mechanics wire, you want to wrap it around here. That way when you pull it out, which they want you to pull it out through the fender area, which I can't see it hardly that way, so I'll probably be pulling it through here. Or not. Probably gonna take the I see.
Mercedes-Benz, Audi,
Yeah, I think the procedure's a little off on this one. Anyways, we're gonna pop this rubber out of the way here. Let me use 2 hands for this. Okay, well, while the procedure wanted me to pull it out through the this area here.
Next, let's talk about bypass or diverter valves. It seems
I don't see how that's going to help me get it back up through the hole out there. So what we're going to do is
that controls the bypass from the intake side.
I'm going to take these screws loose and
we're seeing a trend towards
move this out of the way so I can get in behind here, and then I should be able to get the antenna out and the new one back in fairly easy. Let's do that now. Alright, we got those bolts out. Get this out of the way and you see the antenna is just hanging there.
But making sure that it's under
So you can get a better
smoke inside,
look in here.
isolating that part that you think might be leaking can lead to actual diagnosis. In some cases, you're not even going to pressure check the turbocharger because it's a solid metal housing and very rarely will those leak. But you can use a smoke machine to check the diverter valve to make sure it's not leaking all over the place. Okay, and diagnosis. If you get a turbocharged vehicle in your shop and it has a code for boost pressure not at a sufficient level or high boost pressure or low boost pressure,
And there we have it.
the 2 big hits you need to focus
out.
on during a test drive are the desired boost pressure.
Now we're going to put in our new one.
Take your scan tool, map those out,
Let's get this out.
boost pressure.
Here's our new cable.
By looking at these 2 data pins while you go for a test drive under different
This should be your part number.
you can assess if the turbocharger
From Dodge.
is operating properly.
Can't
In
remember,
other
don't know how
words,
much
you
this
can
costs.
see if the
My brother
bypass
bought it.
valve or
Actually, that
wastegate
customer
are
bought it.
leaking and it's not able to generate
So,
enough pressure by
we're gonna
the
put
actual
this,
boost pressure being lower than the desired boost pressure.
Back up in here.
By doing this,
First thing we're going to do is probably
an idea
put
of
this up
what's going on in
through the
system.
hole
It's not the
and put this
final
cover back
solution,
on,
but
so
you're
we don't
going
have to hold on to
have a
this
better
as we're
idea
trying to
of
route
what
this piece
component
through.
or what system to
let's do that
test
right quick.
next. Pressure. The
Alright,
leak
we
will
got
cause
that in.
that
So now we
actually
just need to
operates
route our
slowly or
cable
not operate at all.
back through.
These are some codes. The other thing we're starting to see is a lot of these diverter valves are starting to fail. Talking about the electromechanical side of it. When they do fail, well, they're no longer able to either lead off the boost pressure or control the wastegate itself. You can test these with a multimeter or a scope to make sure they're getting the right signal to them, to ensure that it's not the ECM that's the problem, it's the actuator itself. The other failure, well, it's the turbocharger itself. As we talked about before, these need the right amount of oil and the right grade and specification oil to properly operate. When these turbochargers do fail, it's typically because the oil, and they usually take the engine with it. If a turbocharger has played, typically what happens is it starts to spin, it hits its housing, and it damages the fins. When the fins are damaged, it's no longer able to generate enough boost. Then the seals start to leak. And when the seals start to leak, there's an oil consumption problem. And since most customers don't even realize they have a turbocharger underneath the hood, it starts consuming a lot of oil, and the customer will typically run the oil low and damage the engine itself. So it's critical that the customer is aware of what's underneath the hood, so they're not driving around with a check engine light that may be turbocharger system specific. That could be a ticking time bomb underneath the hood that could damage the whole engine itself. This has been seen a lot on the Hyundai Theta engine. What's happened is that the customer neglects the oil change, and there's issues with the hood itself, and the turbocharger fails, taking the entire engine with it. Hyundai, well,
Apparently I forgot to
make sure
charge my phone battery,
proper oils in your engine
so my flash went out,
for these
but
engines.
there we go.
Also, make
Routed back through the hole.
you know
Now all you gotta do
those vehicles.
is get that rubber plug back in.
It's not going to be 7,000 miles. Make sure that you look up the proper service interval
Pretty easy.
for the
Just kind of push it into the hole and
in the field.
Work it back and forth.
Also, look at your tools. Make sure that you have a proper slope machine.
Then all you gotta do, put this back up like that.
But the most important thing is training.
And
Always be training on turbochargers.
push the clip back through its holder. This goes up in here where it was, and that's it. Well, all you gotta do now is put the mast back on. Here's your antenna and part number, and this will be going outside. This little piece here just aids in installation. You're gonna wanna take this out. Put your new antenna in the hole. Screw it down. Then just grab it on the flat edges. Give it a good tweak. That's it. That is how you change your antenna cable and mast on a 2017 Dodge Ram Big Horn Hemi 1500. Thanks for watching.